Are you preparing for the CS Executive June 2024 exam and wondering how to manage your time effectively? Understanding how to allocate your time is crucial for optimizing your study sessions and ensuring that no subject is left behind. That's exactly where we come in. This video is designed to provide you with a suggested timetable, broken down subject-wise, to assist you in your preparation for the exam. So, without further ado, let's dive into the timetable. First on the list is company law. This subject can seem intimidating due to its complexity and the necessity for a solid grasp of legal terms and concepts. To tackle this, carve out about 2 hours each day solely for company law. This dedicated time will allow you to gradually build your understanding and proficiency. It's not about cramming everything in a short period, but about steady, consistent study. So, take your time, delve deep, and make it a habit. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to studying company law. Next up is cost and management accounting. This subject is a little tricky, so it's recommended that you dedicate roughly 1.5 hours daily. Your focus should be on understanding the core concepts and practicing your calculations. The key here is consistency. Make sure you're revisiting the subject daily, not letting the concepts and numbers fade away. Treat it like a daily workout for your brain, and you'll see the progress in your grasp of the subject. With regular practice, you will master cost and management accounting in no time. Now, let's move on to economic, business, and commercial laws. This is a subject that demands daily dedication. Allocate at least 1 hour each day to dive into the intricacies of these laws. Remember, the key is not just to memorize, but to understand the laws and their application in different business scenarios. Knowledge of current updates is also vital, as laws constantly evolve. So, keep a keen eye on the latest updates. Staying updated with current laws is crucial in this subject. The next subject is tax laws. This is a tricky one, folks. Ideally, you should dedicate about 1.5 hours each day to this subject. The key here is to focus on understanding the laws themselves and honing your problem-solving skills. It's not just about memorization, but understanding the concepts and applying them. So don't shy away from solving as many problems as you can. As you delve deeper, the laws will start to make more sense. Remember, practice makes perfect in tax laws. Now that we have gone through the timetable for each subject, let's recap. We started off discussing company law, suggesting a dedicated and consistent approach. Remember, it's not just about memorizing the sections, but understanding the nuances and implications of each law. Next, we delved into cost and management accounting. It's a practical subject and requires a good grasp of concepts. Practice is the key here, and it's recommended to solve numerical problems on a daily basis. Then we moved on to economic, business, and commercial laws. This subject is vast, but don't let that intimidate you. Break it down into manageable chunks and tackle it piece by piece. Our discussion on tax laws emphasized the importance of keeping up with the latest amendments and notifications. Regular revision and practice are crucial to successfully navigating this dynamic subject. Throughout each of these subjects, we've emphasized the importance of consistency and regular practice. It's not about cramming in the weeks before the exam, but about building a strong foundation over time. Set aside time each day for focused study, and don't forget to take breaks to refresh your mind. Developing a timetable is a personal journey. Tailor it to your strengths, weaknesses, and lifestyle. But remember, the best timetable is the one you can stick to. With this timetable, you are well on your way to acing the CS Executive June 2024 exam. Good luck and happy studying.